Feeling unmotivated? You're not alone. Many people struggle with finding the drive to get up and move, especially when life gets busy or stressful. But don't worry, there are ways to overcome this hurdle. You know you should work out, but motivation keeps slipping away? It's a common issue, but the good news is that there are strategies you can use to reignite that spark and keep it burning. This video is here to help you find your inner strength and start today. Alright, let's dive in. We'll explore 3 key tips that can transform your approach to fitness and make exercising a more enjoyable part of your daily routine. First up, set clear goals. Having a specific target to aim for can make all the difference. It gives you something concrete to work towards and helps you measure your progress along the way. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, say something like, I want to run 3 times a week, or I want to be able to run a 5K in under 30 minutes. These specific goals give you a clear path to follow, or perhaps, I want to lose 5 kilograms in 2 months. When your goals are specific and measurable, it's easier to track your progress and stay motivated. Make your goals specific and measurable. This way, you can celebrate small victories along the way, which can boost your motivation to keep going. Visualize that goal every day, and remind yourself why you started. Visualization is a powerful tool. Picture yourself achieving your goal, and let that image drive you forward. Next, create a routine. Motivation comes and goes, but a routine keeps you on track. By establishing a regular workout schedule, you make exercise a habit rather than a chore. Set a specific time during the day for your workout and stick to it, even when you don't feel like it. Consistency is key. Over time, your body and mind will get used to this new routine, making it easier to stick with it. It's like brushing your teeth, it just becomes something you do. And finally, find inspiration. Sometimes you need an extra spark to keep you going. Sometimes you need an extra spark. Find what inspires you, and use it to fuel your workouts. This could be anything from a favorite playlist to motivational videos or even a workout buddy. Find songs that energize you, and create a playlist that gets you pumped up and ready to move. Music can be a powerful motivator, turning a mundane workout into a fun and exhilarating experience. Watch stories of people who succeeded in their fitness journeys. Seeing others achieve their goals can be incredibly inspiring and remind you that you can do it too. And remember, if they can do it, so can you. Surround yourself with positivity and success stories. Join online communities or follow fitness influencers who share their journeys and tips. Remember, motivation is temporary, but discipline is permanent. Building discipline takes time, but it's worth it. Once you have it, you'll find it easier to stay on track, even on days when motivation is low. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. The best time to start is always now. Don't wait for the perfect conditions or the perfect mood. Just take that first step, and the rest will follow. If you need more tips, click subscribe and follow me for more inspiration and workouts. You've got this. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Keep pushing forward, and you'll reach your goals before you know it.